Hello students, before we start problem set 44, I would like to explain you few points which help you to understand problem set 44. So let's start. You know that in clock there are three hands are there. One is our hand which shows you time in hours. Another is minute hand which shows you or which measures the time less than hour. Okay, when minute hand completes one turn, one round, it completes 1 hour. So we can write here, or we know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. You have to remember this. And third hand is second hand. Second hand used to measure the time less than minute. Okay, second hand used to measure the time less than minute hand. So here you know that when second hand completes one turn, one round, it completes 1 minute. So it means that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So you have to remember this, student. This is important. Relation between the hours and minute and second. Now you know that there are two types of the clocks are there. 12-hour clock, one is 12-hour clock and another is 24-hour clock. In 12-hour clock, day is divided into AM and PM. Okay, 24-hour clock, one day gets divided into AM and PM. AM means antemeridian, antemeridium, which shows the time before 12 noon, right? And PM, it stands for post meridium. It shows the time after 12. This you have to remember. When we used to write AM, which shows the time before 12, and when we write PM, it shows the time after 12. So this is regarding the 12-hour clock, and this generally we use at our home. Now let's go to the 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock. So this you must know because it is used mostly in the timetable of the trains, planes, and if long distance journey of the boats, even for the buses, long distance journey of buses, it is used to show the time. So in case of the 24-hour clock, the division like AM and PM is not there, it is avoided. Okay, so to avoid the division of the day into AM and PM, 24-hour clock is used. In case of 24-hour clock, we count the hours like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour up to 12 noon, and even after 12 noon we count it as, we continue as 13, 14, 15 till 24. So you know that one day is 24 hours. So like this, time is also read in 24-hour clock like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour till 12 noon, and after 12 noon it continue like as 13, 14, 15 up to 24. Okay, now let's take one example for this. Suppose in morning time is suppose 20 minutes past 6. How to write this time in case of 24-hour clock? Like this, 6:20. in case of 24 hour. And the same time in evening, 20 minutes past 6. How to write? For that you have to add 6 into 12. You have to add 6 and 12, because after 12 you have to count as 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So it becomes 18 hours 20 minutes, like this. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now let's start with, and one more thing, that at midnight, a 24-hour clock, digital 24-hour clock shows the time like 00 colon mark 00, like that. Okay, means like this, 00, like this. At midnight, this time is shown by digital clock. Okay, the first question in problem set 44 is, the time below is given by 12-hour clock. Write the same by the 24-hour clock. Here time given in 12-hour clock, and the same time we have to convert and write into the form of 24-hour clock. So here how it is given, see, 30 minutes past 10 in the morning. 30 minutes past 10 in the morning. So in the morning time is given for the morning, so there is no change, means here no addition of any number, just you have to write whatever given, because time is shown in for the morning. So how to write in the 24-hour clock? 10:30, like this you have to write. Okay, now the second is 10 minutes past 8 in the morning. Again morning time has given, so just you have to write 10 minutes past 8, like this, 08 and 10 minutes, like this, colon mark. Okay, now the next, 20 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Now here morning time has not given, here afternoon has given, means after the 12. So after the 12, 1 we have to count as, after 12 1 we count like 13. Okay, so here will be 13 colon mark 20 minutes, like this, in 24-hour clock. Understood? Or just you have to add 1 and 12. 12 and 1 is 13 and 20 minutes as it is. Now here last one, 40 minutes past 5 in the evening. Now here evening time has given, means after 12 noon 5 hours. After 12 noon 5 hours, how to count? After 12 noon 5 hours we will count like this, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Or just you have to add 12 and 5. 12 and 5 is 17. Colon mark, and minutes will be as it is. There is no change in minutes. 40 minutes. So this is in the form of 24 hour. Now start second question. Here second question is, match the following. In this 12-hour clock is given in one column and 24-hour clock is given in another column. Now let's solve this. See here, first one is 9:10 a.m. Okay, a.m. means morning time is here, is there. So morning time, you know, same in both the clocks, 12 and 24. So we will match this with the 9:10 here. The difference in that, the in 24-hour clock AM PM will not be there. Okay, so 9:10 AM time in the 12-hour clock and in the 24-hour clock is same, 9:10 9:10. Now let's go to the next, 2:10 PM. 2:10 PM means after 12 2 hours. Okay, after 12 2 hours means you have to add 12 and 2. 12 and 2 is 14. So here it is 14:10. So these get matched with this one. Okay, now let's go to the 5:25 PM. Okay, here also PM. 5:25 PM means after 12 5 hours. So you have to add 12 and 5. 12 and 5 is 17. Okay, so this will match with this. 5:25 PM will match with 17:25 here. Okay, now 11:10 PM. 11:10 PM means again here in 12 we have to add 11. 11 and 12 will be 23. So 23:10 will get match for this. Okay, and last one is 7:25 AM. AM time will be same in both the clocks, 12 hour and 24 hour. So 7:25 will match with the 7:25 here. Okay, so like this we have to do. Thank you.